Welcome back to Party Slayers with Lapus. She said that now I meet my sister. It's a live after party event. From Nanja, go bright, go lovely. How are you, my sister?
I'm okay, and how are you, my dear?
I'm good. Who's on the time?
Shall I start, babe?
It's not about the very days I'm
Because I have to be like, yeah, it's very nice. It's very nice. It's a very nice way. Very nice place.
What do you like about it?
Yeah, especially for Tina, abantu abadala, we get our space so we just relax. You understand? Yes. As for cooling thing, this is the way place that's right for. Yeah.
So we are prepared and also
Number one place. Yes.
so bengathi ufuna ukumema abanye abantu bezele ndawo ngathini kuba
You know what? If you are 40 plus, this is the place for you. If you need to relax, 40 years essentially, come to the Dawo, you'll have fun. And age group, as you can see, age group. So guess what? Until 2000. Yeah, that's it. Yes. People are seeing Dragon.
no, like every time on your 40s, like listen, you're gonna put thinking as a nifuna ukuthi njalo nikhohle inkinga zenu and stuff kangakanani.
Remember, when you grow up, inkinga nazo zihamba nawe. Inkinga zihamba nawe and kuyafuneka ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi uziphe isikhathi sakho, me time, lokuthi uzophumula ukhohlwe yonke into, ube isikhathi sakho, have fun, have savannah, whatever. You understand? Get friends.
Have savannah, guys, have savannah. Yabona ngathi just have savannah, guys.
Come to the Dawo.
Come to the now and have this savannah, guys. This is Party Slayers with Lapus. I'm your host, aka Mosha, and everything, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.